My friends, how are you today? Welcome to new part of my collection. Today I talk about beautiful necklace. I hope you enjoy this video and I wish beautiful day. Let's go with me. Are you ready? Now look at this necklace. This necklace is not bad. It's okay. I love it. The design. But this stone, three stones, is not okay, I think, for this necklace. And I said in the others video, you go to my channel and see others video, I said I don't like this chain because it's very bad in the neck, this chain. Look, one, two, three, four diamond in, and four. Eight diamond in this necklace is so beautiful. I love it, the diamond, but the stones is not okay, I think, for this necklace. But change the color, this stones, okay, is not bad. I love it, the design is not bad, it's okay. And I think suitable just for young woman and girlfriend and wife is not bad, it's okay. And beautiful gift for woman. And what are things okay for woman or no? Please write me in the comment. Thank you so much. Now look at this necklace. This necklace is so beautiful. I love it, necklace. Look, the design is very nice. I love it. Just suitable for young woman and girlfriend is not bad, is okay, beautiful gift for girlfriend and wife. Is very nice. I love it, this necklace. Look, one, two, three. Big diamond, small and small diamond. It's not bad, it's okay. But the chain is not good in the neck. I think just 3 seconds. Imagine your neck, this necklace. One, two, three. I think it's not okay, and what I think is okay in the nick or no, write me in the comment. I love it, this necklace is not bad. No, look at this necklace. Necklace number 3. Look. It's not very luxury and it's not very pretty. It's very simple. And I don't like this necklace. I think it's bad. I don't like it, and what I think is okay for all the women or no. I think the many women don't like this necklace because it's not okay in the neck, and the chain is very bad. I said in the other video, I don't like this chain. It's very bad. The diamond color is very nice. I like this color, and I think beautiful gift for woman. Just for gift is very nice. But you are buy this necklace is not okay for you. Now look at this necklace. It's very nice. And the diamond is very specially look the heart. I think diamond is heart. It's very nice. I love it. Look, and this diamond. This diamond is very okay. I love it. This diamond. And this. Wow, I love it. And what are things okay for young woman or no? I think just suitable for young woman. Thank you so much for watch this necklace. And please write me in the comment. Suitable for gift or no? Please write. Now look at this necklace. This necklace is not bad and it's not very pretty and it's not very ugly, I think. And look at the brilliant in this part. This part of brilliant in this necklace is very okay. And the diamond is very nice. I love it, the diamond. But the design is bad. The design is very bad, and I think the many women don't like this design because the thing is not very luxury in the niche. But you are buy This necklace for gift is very nice and very beautiful, but you are buying this necklace for gift. Change the chain, okay? Because the chain I said in the other video and this video is not okay for this necklace. Thank you so much. And what other thing is okay for gift or no? Write in the comment. Now look at this necklace. I think it's very luxury. This necklace. Look, the brilliant and the diamond design is very nice, and this part is very special in necklace. I love it. This part, look, it's very beautiful, but the chain is very bad. The chain is very bad. It's not good for this necklace. I don't like this chain, but I think the others part is very nice and suitable for mom and grandma. Wife is not bad. I think the young woman, the young lady don't like this necklace because it's not okay for this age group. What other thing is okay for this age group or no? Please write me in the comment. Thank you so much. I love you all. Now look at this necklace. This necklace just suitable for grandma and mom. I think don't like it. Just okay for grandma, but this part for this necklace is not okay. I think it's very bad. It's not okay. But other parts, except the chain, is not okay and is okay. It's okay. Sorry. It's okay. This part, look, the brilliant design and diamond is very nice. I love it. Others part and what everything is okay. The others part or no, write me in the comment, please. And it's a beautiful gift for grandma. I love it. This necklace for gift for grandma. Look at the final necklace. Final necklace is very nice. It's okay, just suitable for baby and young lady. It's not okay for mom or grandma or wife. It's not okay. It's very nice gift for Valentine Day, I think. But the chain is very bad. I don't like this chain. Look at the diamond. The diamond is very nice. I love it. This diamond. I love it. It's not bad. It's okay. For gift, I said. And what everything is luxury, I know. I think it's not luxury. It's very simple and it's not very luxury and it's not very pretty. Please write me in the comments. Is okay for gift or no? Right, it's important, I think. Thank you so much for watch this necklace and others necklace. Thank you so much, my friend, for watch this video. I love you all. See you tomorrow, my friend. Before go out, please like, subscribe, and share this video and comment for me. Don't forget, please. I hope you enjoy this collection and do you like watch my others collection. Please go to my channel or click in this video and show others my collection. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video I said and I wish beautiful day in this week. Goodbye my friend.